Hi, I'm Hannah Ewing, your selling in suburbia real estate agent, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing, 905 Lady Bird Drive in McKinney, Texas. This gorgeous home is located in the master plan community of Trinity Falls. It offers walk and bike paths, parks, splash pads, and there's an elementary school that's going to be built walking distance from this beautiful home. The best part is this home is almost brand new. It was built in 2020 and it is move-in ready. It's absolutely pristine. Follow me, let's go take a look. This Highland home is 2,300 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and my favorite part about it is that it does have a media room and a home office. It has extremely high ceilings, so it feels so much bigger than it actually is. And it has a gorgeous, sleek finish out. So it has wood-like tile floors. It has this gorgeous gray quartz countertop. It's extremely modern. I think the best part is it's move-in ready, so it's almost impossible to find a brand new home right now, but this one looks like it's never been lived in. It's absolutely gorgeous and I know you're gonna love it. My name is Hannah Ewing. You can call me to schedule a private tour. My phone number is 214-991-1873 and I can't wait to show this home to you.